Welcome to Trivandrum, Kerala's vibrant capital, where the streets come alive as the sun sets. The city transforms into a bustling food paradise, with the air thick with the aroma of spices. Food carts line the sidewalks, each vendor a master of their craft, calling out to passers-by. The sizzle of frying food mixes with laughter and the hum of city life. Among the many tempting smells, one stands out, the unmistakable aroma of Trivandrum's spicy chicken fry. Crowds gather around a small stall drawn by the promise of something legendary. The vendor works quickly, frying up a dish that's become a symbol of the city's street food culture. This isn't about fancy restaurants, it's about the magic found right here, under the open sky. People from all walks of life unite for a taste of this iconic dish. The spicy chicken fry is simple, yet bursting with flavor. A true celebration of Kerala's spirit. It's a dish that brings smiles and joy, representing the warmth and hospitality of the city. The streets pulse with energy and every bite tells a story of tradition and togetherness. The food here is more than sustenance, it's a shared experience. The spicy chicken fry is the heart of this nightly festival. It's a taste that lingers, a memory you'll carry long after you leave. In Trivandrum, every meal is a celebration of life and community. The city's food scene is a symphony of flavors, and the chicken fry is its boldest note. Follow the scent, join the crowd, and discover the soul of Kerala in every bite. This is where the real magic happens, on the streets, with the people, and through the food. Welcome to the feast that is Trivandrum. In Kerala, food is woven into daily life, with spices at the heart of every meal. The region's rich history as the land of spices shapes its bold, unique flavors. Chicken fry, or koji porichatu, is more than just fried chicken. It's a dish for celebrations and comfort alike. Every family has its own recipe, some fiery, others aromatic, all rooted in tradition. On the streets, the chicken fry is even bolder, spicier, redder, and designed to thrill. Vendors know people crave excitement, so they turn up the heat and flavor. The vibrant red color promises a spicy kick, making it the perfect snack for busy evenings. This dish is a reflection of Trivandrum itself, energetic, vibrant, and a little bit fiery. It's not about being fancy, it's about honest, delicious food for everyone. Students, workers, families, and tourists all gather for a taste. The chicken fry brings people together, creating shared moments of joy. It's become an icon of the city's food scene, a must-try for every visitor. In every bite you taste the spirit of Trivandrum. That's why chicken fry is more than food, it's a local legend. The magic of Trivandrum chicken fry starts with its ingredients, simple, fresh, and full of flavor. Fresh, tender chicken is cut into bite-sized pieces, ensuring every morsel is juicy and well-coated. The spice blend is key: red chili powder for heat and color, turmeric for earthiness, coriander for citrusy notes, and garam masala for depth. Curry leaves are essential, infusing the oil with their unique aroma when fried. Ginger garlic paste adds a sharp aromatic kick, cutting through the richness. The real secret? Coconut oil. The chicken is deep fried in pure coconut oil, giving it a crisp exterior and a subtle, nutty sweetness. This oil is what sets Kerala's chicken fry apart from the rest. Every ingredient has a purpose, building layers of flavor and texture. The result is a dish that's unforgettable, spicy, aromatic, and deeply satisfying. It's a true taste of Kerala in every bite. That's the essence of Trivandrum's chicken fry. The secret to great chicken fry is in the marination. Fresh chicken is massaged with a vibrant mix of spices, ginger garlic paste, and sometimes a squeeze of lime. A bit of rice flour or cornstarch is added for extra crunch. The marinade is worked into every piece, ensuring deep flavor. The chicken rests for hours, soaking up the spices and tenderizing. This patience pays off. Each bite is infused with flavor, not just coated. The marination transforms simple chicken into something extraordinary. It's this step that separates good chicken fry from the unforgettable. In Trivandrum, flavor runs deep. After marination, it's time to fry. The vendor heats coconut oil in a traditional pan, filling the air with its sweet aroma. Marinated chicken pieces sizzle as they hit the oil, creating a mouth-watering sound. Fresh curry leaves and green chilies are tossed in, adding fragrance and flavor. The chicken is fried until crisp and golden, perfectly cooked inside and out. Each piece is lifted out, glistening and irresistible. Fried curry leaves and chilies are sprinkled on top for extra crunch. The result? A masterpiece of color, texture, and taste. Ask anyone in Trivandrum about chicken fry, and you'll hear stories of tradition and pride. Vendors like Rajan use recipes passed down through generations, insisting on fresh ingredients and coconut oil. College students flock to stalls after class, calling it the perfect spicy, crispy snack. For many, it's a taste of home with an extra street-side kick. Older locals reminisce about childhood memories, noting how coconut oil gives the chicken its authentic flavor. The dish connects generations, from students to elders, uniting everyone in a shared love for this spicy treat. It's more than a recipe, it's a piece of the city's identity. The chicken fry stalls are gathering places where stories and laughter are shared. Each plate is a testament to the power of food to bring people together. The real secret? It's made by hand, with care and heart, every single day. That's why it's the best in the city. In Trivandrum, chicken fry is a celebration of community. It's a delicious tradition that lives on. Finally, a plate of steaming Trivandrum spicy chicken fry is served, deep red, crispy, and aromatic. The first bite is a revelation, crunchy outside, juicy inside, with layers of spice and a hint of coconut sweetness. It's more than a snack, it's the taste of Trivandrum itself. Eating it on a bustling street corner, you become part of the city's vibrant rhythm. This dish connects you to the culture, the people, and the spirit of Kerala. It's simple food, made with love and tradition, uniting everyone who tries it. The chicken fry is a symbol of joy, community, and the magic of street food. If you find yourself in Trivandrum, follow the sizzle and spice. A plate of this legendary chicken fry is waiting to tell you its story. Come hungry, leave with a memory.